this. See? Look at that, guys. This is what you call, look at it close up. This is what you call Southern Comfort, Caribbean pot and Southern Comfort. Hello everybody, it's Saturday in New York. And it's a rainy day. It's so gloomy, guys, and it's a day for inside and cozy food. So I'm going to throw down in the kitchen something for the weather. Yeah, so I'm going to show you in a while what I will be putting in that pot. Yeah, okay, so let's start right now. But before, I'm going to prepare the stuff. I'm going to do everything in advance, and then I'll come back and show you what I am adding to it. It's a very delicious, simple, fast, heartwarming dish. Okay, so stay with me, guys. And yeah, okay, see you around the bend. These are the few things that I'm making for dinner tonight. Those are what I'm using in my dinner tonight. So I'm going to make a fast Saturday evening soup with red beans and smoked ham that was boiled, and my red beans was already cooked. I did that in advance. Then I'm going to add a few vegetables to it, some Scotch bonnet pepper, some okra, some carrots, and a few other things that I'm going to add into the mix. So guys, it's Saturday and it's not a very beautiful day. It's kind of cloudy, rainy, everything together. So that calls for a heartwarming local soup. So let's start the cooking. Stay with me, guys, and help me cook this delicious dish. Let's cook. Just chop the garlic. So I have a small piece of onion, red onions that I remaining from my previous meal, and then I'm just going to throw it in there. And then I have a whole onion, the whole white chop. That's done. Hungry for some delicious food? Come cook with me. Veronica's Kitchen. Like, share, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everyone. And bon appetit! See you in the next video. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Let's add some oil, olive oil. It's hot. Alright. I want to add some thyme. Crackle the thyme in the oil. It's dried thyme, guys. It was fresh and it got dried. Now let me add some onions. Yeah, a little bit of cooking for the onions. Too much. Adding the garlic after the onion is already translucent, because the garlic will burn if you add them together. So that's what we do it. Now I want to add this cooked ham. This ham was from Christmas and I had it in the freezer. It was already cooked. I removed all the salt, and now I find something to do with it. So I'm cooking it today, making that delicious one-pot type of food today. I'm adding a can of crushed tomatoes. Let's add a little water to the can. Adding the water to the pot. Give it a little stir. So then we cover, and I'll be back with the rest of the ingredient in a minute. Now here we go. Let's check this pot here. Oh, it's steamy. Let's add in a little water, boiling water that is. Now we add in the cook beans, red beans it is. We add in, that's called Christophine. British call it Christophine, Jamaicans call it chocho. That's it right here in the pot. Then we got some pumpkin, some cabbage. Looks like the pot is full now, it's going to reduce. Just want to mix it up properly. Oops, I already messed up my shirt. Let me taste that just a little bit. Now I'm going to season it up, put a little ground turmeric right here for the health reasons. Now we got a little bit of curry powder for flavor reasons. Then we got some cumin flavor. Cumin is delicious. I love cumin. I also have some of my Ghana seasoning here. Let me see that. About a teaspoon I added to it. I also have a vegetable cube. I'm crushing it a little bit. Oops. I don't know, the pepper was frozen. So this is a Scotch bonnet pepper. I don't want it to burst right yet. So that's it right here on the top. Right here. Now I'm going to cover this, allow it to simmer, cook. I'm leaving it on high, then afterwards when it starts boiling I will lower it down to medium, allow it to cook slowly, and then I'll taste, add in some spices if needed, and I'll let you know what I add in. Okay, see you in a minute. Oh, very fast, easy. Look at this. I forgot to add the okras, so I'm adding some okras in there. Come in, guys, look at that. Look at that, baby. I just lowered the stove. I'm telling you. Look at this. See? Let's do one more tasting and it's cooked. Let's taste again. So delicious. See the stuff is cooked. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, or I would say if you like this dish, give it a thumbs up. The video might not be at your standard, but the dish should be. Let me tell you something. If you're from a culture that like dumpling, you could add a few dumplings to this, but I did not want processed carbohydrate in there. I only wanted low glycemic carb that are natural in that dish today. And so it's vegetables and the smoked ham that was cooked a while ago and refrigerated, and I recook it again and to remove all the salt, just a little tiny salt, and then I add it there, and the beans that was cooked the previous day, and then I add it all here and make that, oh, melange. That's what the French people say, melange. That's mix up right here in this pot on a Saturday evening, and that's what I'm going to have for dinner. And if you like this video, there are more videos similar to this in my channel. So I would hope that you subscribe and share and give my video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Cha-cha! Take care, my people. Very simple, easy. And before I say cha-cha, I want to dish out some of this food. I turn off the stove right now, and I'm going to dish out. See that here? So rich and delicious. This is what you call, look at it close up. This is what you call Southern comfort, Caribbean pot and Southern comfort.